Hey friends, if you wish to disable Windows Update Delivery Optimization in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options, scroll down and select delivery optimization. So we have multiple options here. One is to allow downloads from other devices. I'll tell you what happens when delivery optimization is on. It will connect to either the internet and the local network if you have selected the second option, or only to devices on the local network, and devices on the local network can download Windows updates and apps from your device through the internet or simply the local network. Now, this can be dangerous in a few cases, but if you wish to disable it, then you can disable it. However, here's what I do. I keep delivery optimization on, but I selected it devices on my local network only because I am working from home and other devices which are on my home network are known to me, so I can use them. My family can use them, but I never select this option. But if you want to, you can, but I keep it at this option. And to disable it totally, you can simply turn the switch off. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.